Adding questions to your Calendly events helps you gather important information from invitees before the meeting. This can be useful for preparing interviews, consultations, or any scheduled discussion. Here's how to add questions. Log into Calendly. Start by logging into your Calendly account and navigate to the Event Type section from the main dashboard. Select an event type. Choose an existing event type you want to customize or create a new one by clicking the plus New Event Type button. Go to Invitee Questions. In the event settings, scroll down to the Invitee Questions section. This is where you can add custom questions. Add your questions. Click on Add Question. You can choose from different question types such as multiple choice, checkbox, or text response. Enter your question and any answer options if applicable. You can also mark questions as required, ensuring that invitees cannot book without answering them. Save changes. After adding all your questions, scroll down and click the Save and Close button. Share your event. Once saved, your event will include the new questions when invitees schedule an appointment.